Understanding the difference between calories and carbohydrates. Two fundamental concepts that often arise are calories and carbohydrates. While they are closely related, they represent different aspects of how our bodies utilize and store energy. Understanding their differences is crucial for making informed dietary choices and achieving specific health goals. Calories are a measure of energy. In nutrition, they quantify the amount of energy that food provides to the body. This energy is necessary for all bodily functions, from maintaining basic metabolic processes to fueling physical activity. Carbohydrates, the energy source, are one of the three primary macronutrients along with proteins and fats, and serve as a significant source of energy for the body. Carbohydrates are found in a wide variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. They are broken down into glucose, which is used by cells for energy. The interconnection. Calories and carbohydrates are interconnected but represent different aspects of energy management. Carbohydrates contribute to the total calorie count of a food item. For example, a slice of whole grain bread contains approximately 70 to 80 calories, with most of these calories coming from carbohydrates. Health implications. Understanding the distinction between calories and carbohydrates has important health implications. Excessive carbohydrate consumption can lead to weight gain if it results in a calorie surplus. Additionally, the type of carbohydrates consumed affects health outcomes. Diets high in refined sugars and low in fiber can contribute to metabolic syndrome and other health issues, whereas whole, unprocessed carbohydrates are associated with better long-term health outcomes. Conclusion. Calories and carbohydrates represent distinct but interrelated components of nutrition. Calories measure the total energy provided by food, while carbohydrates are a primary source of that energy. Managing calorie intake involves balancing all macronutrients, including carbohydrates, to meet energy needs without excess. For optimal health, focusing on the quality of carbohydrates and maintaining a balanced diet is essential. Understanding these concepts helps in making informed dietary choices, whether the goal is weight management, improved health, or enhanced athletic performance. Please subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips.